Okay, normally I don't do firearms videos, but I thought I'd do one and just kind of show everybody how Canadians actually lubricate their guns. So we're going to take our trigger lock off. Okay, we've got our trigger lock off, chamber's empty. Go ahead and remove the bolt. Then get a screwdriver and remove the stock from the receiver. Okay, now we got our stock removed from the receiver. So now we're going to get our lubricant out. Now, this is our secret here in Canada. We actually lubricate it with maple syrup. So we'll just, that's what the cloth's for. Lube up our bolt. And just kind of give it a wipe off. You don't want too much excess. The stuff does get sticky if you put too much on. We'll just let it kind of run out of the receiver. So you always want to make sure you wipe off all the excess, because too much and you just have ant problems. So there we go. Got our maple syrup in there. Wipe some in to give it a shine. It's a cooey too, so if you can see that in the camera. That's how you lubricate a Canadian firearm here in Canada. Thanks for watching.